Hello guys, welcome. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to download and install Microsoft Office for free. Open your browser, type Office Deployment Tool, click into the first link, scroll down. Here we have download, click on download. Our Office Deployment Tool is downloaded. Drag this to the desktop, create a new folder, right click, new folder, type Office, right click into the Office Deployment Tool, run as administrator, accept the license, press continue, click into PC, desktop, Office. This is the file that we just made, and then OK. Our file is extracted successfully. Open this file. We have two files, and delete this one. OK. Open your browser again, new tab, type deploy Office LTSC 2024. Click into this link, scroll down. Here we have create the configuration. We have Office customization tool. Click on this. From architecture, we have 32-bit or 64-bit. Choose your system. Mine is 64-bit. I will leave it as it is. Here from Office Suites, choose Office LTSC Professional Plus 2024. Scroll down. Here we have apps. Which app you want, you can turn it on, otherwise turn it off. I don't need OneDrive, Publisher. OK, scroll down, next. Select the language, English United States. Scroll down, next. Next. Turn this off. Next. Next again. OK. Finish. Then go to export. Press export. Here click into Office Open XML formats. OK. Accept the license. Here make sure the file name is configuration. And then export. Our file is exported. Again, drag this file to the desktop. OK. Bring it into this folder. OK. Here type cmd, command prompt. Make sure to click into Learn as Administrator. OK, back to the folder. OK. Click into here. Copy this path. Control C. Go to command prompt. OK. Type cd. Press space. Control V. And then enter. Go to your browser. Here from Office Customization Tool tab. Click to go back. Scroll down. OK. Copy this one. Back to command prompt. Control V. Now our Microsoft Office is going to install. You need to wait until the Microsoft Office is installed. While Office is started installing, you would see a window like this. Thanks for watching. I hope you found this video to be helpful. For more daily tips and tricks, subscribe us and leave your feedback in the comments.